It is a very nice evening to me to listen all of you. Basically, you know that without any introduction, I would like to say I am being proud to be an art teacher in the system. So that is the number one which I like. And second one, if you ask to me, this is a golden opportunity, the 75th Rajagiri Roundtable Conference. The Roundtable Conference, it is a wide meaning of art, because everyone is sitting around me, or I am one of the member around you, or we can say the art in the wider meaning of art. It is an umbrella term where the art and creativity and the music and even subject and everything is coming under the roof of art. So I just share some of my that concept which I experienced through my last 30 years and before that also my schools. In a very practical way, whatever I identified. And it is very interestingly that Kurupalli Sangalvi madam was informed to me that I have been nominated for this particular conference. So first of all, thanks to Sri Kumar Raghavan sir. Though he was very near to me, but this is a golden time to me to meet each other. Presently, I was also a little bit working with NCRT and a master training in art education. And the curriculum committee, NEP, National 2020, and I am one of the member for National Education Policy. And I also got earlier 2011 with the National ICT Award. And now 2020, I got the National Teachers Award. This is only very, and more than this, I am not running behind this awards, and others, more concentrated about this painting and the creative things and working with the society and the students and the team. This is more what I'm enjoying that world in a very comfortable way. So I'm sharing my presentation, sir. So I think I just can you see it, sir?
Yes, yes.
So this is simply something about myself. I already told you, so nothing is there. I'm just entering to my directly. So here you can see that I have just represented some two areas of our human brain. What is art and what is art integrated learning? That is a new term which we are following in NEP. So it is very simple answer which I was finding through my experience and through my lot of studies. You know, our brain is actually, human brain, logically classified into two areas. The left side is meant for the numeric, like, you know, a lot of mathematics academy, whatever we learned from the old classroom style or traditional classroom style. It was like that. And the right side brain is actually meant for, you can say that the artistic and emotion and the awareness and feeling and all these aesthetic realities are actually meant for the right side. It is a concept scientifically proved. So actually, if you want to develop a creative skill, we want to take both the areas simultaneously, or both the areas equal importance. So we were actually missing the right areas of her, because everyone was telling that okay, art education, it is some music, is means okay, that after reaching their home they can learn. Now we can enter this spectrum of education. It is better to go for mathematics or science or something else. So it is my great time to tell loud, you know, we have to keep both the areas of our brain. And every scholar, wherever you search, you know, they have a breaking mechanism with art. If you take the case study of Abdul Kalam, he was a very good Veena player. Or if you take any other, and recently I met the ISRO mission head, you know, that Uma Maheshwara, he was a very good singer. So like that, Bison, he can tell, he is a very good scholar and very good friend of mine. He is also, other hand, he is holding with a cartoon. So whenever we are keeping a creative area, whether it is a music or art or a cooking or some other thing, or a passion with agriculture or writing poem or writing essay or a very good speaker, whatever may be that, we will be having a space to raise our creativity in a very dynamic way. And second, you know, in every period that modernism is, it was reached from very old, you know, Lascau's cable, that caves, it was started with very raw things. Next it came to palm leaf, then ultimately to that it passes through the further and pen, book, computer, laptop, and now it became COVID pandemic time. You know, the most useful item is our smartphone, and the entire world is in our fingertip. And what is next? That is what every time the art is searching. So now this is the period for cloud computing and artificial intelligence, 3D printing, 360 panorama, virtual reality and augmented reality, smart labs, Android. These words, screen, green screen, visual effect, digital art, animation, all these terms are actually familiar to this present generation. So here I am focusing on the 4C in 21st century education. What are the 4 C's? It is very important for the 21st century generation. And number one, I can say that is communication. The communication, you know, it is already, I mentioned that the world, entire world is in our fingertip. And second one, I can say that is critical thinking. We are facing a lot of issues like COVID or like pollution or like diarrhea with a lot of subject learning process, and the collaborative learning also, it is one of the major area. And finally, I am straight away coming to the creativity, because all these areas are having a lot of things already, it was mentioned. But even then I am focusing with the art. You can say this, what is art? It is a common term in our school, you know. I can say that it is an aesthetic self-discipline of understanding, and because we have to see the things very positively. Then after seeing that object, we can find out some sort of beauty out of that. So try for that, you know, whenever we are enjoying the beauty things or beautiful things, automatically our discipline will come into through, so that we will be always positive. We won't go for any negative things. That is what I found through my students, through my society and through my community. So be positive, and so that we will be getting a very good feedback from our friends or relatives or students or alumni or whatever may be. And here you can see the communication. So whatever I experienced, that true picture really I am showing. The students are actually, I have given a wide spectrum of chances for them to develop not only to the art, the video editing and audio editing and the animation and the photography and even music and even drama, and all these things are actually experienced. And even along with that, the professional artists are actually invited to the school, and they are being with the students and communicating or interacting a lot of time, not because of the time limit. They are very close to the artist people, and they're getting the first lesson of creativity and enjoying the education platform. And here you can see some of the views. And next, you know, in a simple way, the collaborative learning. Collaborative learning means whenever we do something with a hands-on activity, we give practically instead of teaching with a textbook. Go out of the classroom, or we can go out of the 4 frames of the classroom. It is better to learn something in a collaborative way and be one of the, what we can say, be the level of the students and share the things. Don't think that I am a teacher, I can teach you, I have more confidence about this. So it's not like that. Our students are coming with a lot of pre-knowledge. So before entering to the class, we have to understand whether the child is having some capacity or not. We can believe that strongly. This is a 21st century education, communication, the peak time. So students are definitely coming with a lot of pre-knowledge. So we must be updated with a lot of smart tools. So that smart tools means it is available in the that our convenience, the pedagogical approach, that teacher can decide that what type of tool I can use for communication. So that is purely with the teacher's choice. How and whether it is internet is available, they can go for internet. Whether the festival is available, then they can take the children to the festival to see the festival. So that the tool is not defined like a computer, because the computer also giving lot of problem with eyes and mental health, and they will be totally what we can say, something like a broiler farm thing. So, you know, we are giving food and they are growing up. It's not like that. We have to allow the child to fly out of the classroom. And here you can see world critical issues. Technological high creates depression, because, you know, if you sit 24 hours with a computer or mobile phone, definitely will be fall in some immoral traffic and we will be getting depression, and it will be a lot of problem with our family. The next one, the demoralization of human values in life. It is happening every day nowadays. You know, the educated children actually they are putting their old parents to the old age homes, poor homes, and they're enjoying that. What is the meaning of the education behind that? They may be scholar in PhD, they may be having a lot of awards, they may be having a lot of skills, they may be topper in their university, but ultimately certain human values are there that they are not obeying. So it's a great what we can say, sad thing happening in the world. And next, changing scenario of this energy management, that is also a critical issue, because a lot of energy is required, that we have to, maybe we can say that the solar energy, something like that, it is a shortage is coming in the future. And then next to the artificial intelligence and the privacy issues in the digital era. Wherever if you got a pan shop, if you got a tea shop, we can believe that someone is following you, chasing you, and getting all the secrets. That is also a dangerous thing, that our privacy is missing. So we want always certain area with our private life, so that our life and creativity will be coming to the boom. And the global business environment use the technology for marketing. We must be aware of that. Whatever we do, on the other hand, they can say there is a marketing side. It is meant for a publication, or it is meant for sometimes selling their product or marketing their product or establishment. So nowadays, whatever it is happening, these things are happening. What is required for the future society? It's in the aspects of life. That is what the art is actually interacting. And here the art education policy, it is what is education, how education can be connected with NEP. So I can say it's in a single word, the art is education actually. It is a very, because how the students are enjoying the holistic way or in a joyful way, we can find out that the creativity is coming up and the students will do the wonders. So all other things are actually coming with that scenario only. So we'll be try for that. So what are the power within? Whatever the positive thing within, what are the way we select, I have given the third point is mental diarrhea will reduce the speed of creativity. Mental diarrhea means, some students will tell that always, I will become a sportsman, I will become a computer engineer, I will become a doctor. So they are having a lot of ambition. So I think ultimately the child will not reach anywhere. So just like, when you take all food, together, non-vegetarian and vegetarian and other things and chocolate, and then definitely some diarrhea will be there, and we'll be getting stuck off with our all activities. So same thing will happen when you take a lot of areas with our education. So reality is always connected with the things. And here you can say in art education, specifically they are giving we are giving a lot of basic principles of art, and the students are learning it. That is a process of learning. It is happening in everywhere. But here you can see the doing by learn. So here I have organized a small workshop, a traditional workshop. So the traditional workshop, students are actually using the right side picture. You can see that students are actually making the carpentry skills. Their first time they're touching with these tools, but they ensured from morning 7 o'clock to night 9 o'clock or up to 10 o'clock without any boring. Within 10 days, they created a wonderful work of art in my school. So that is what that experience which I got it. And during that course, they have got a process of learning. So it will remain their life and it will be forever. And I think education is a lifelong process. It should not be finished with a span of time of education or after getting a degree. And here you can see that the students are actually, I have given a lot of chance to identify about what is India, know about India. So every state is very vibrant and colorful, and there are a lot of traditional art, Varli painting, Madhubani painting, and Gaon painting, Hasekala and Kalighat painting, Kalangari painting, Tanjavuri painting, and all these things. So whenever we are giving, instead of a A4 size paper, you give a wide space, then definitely students will be having a big dream, and the campus will be very colorful, and their discipline will be according to that. Their creativity will be going according to that. So here you can see the mathematics, the integrated area. I'm talking about now integration. So a lot of areas are there. We can, motivate the teacher to come down their own level, and their the sophisticated classroom environment and outside can be utilized for that. Traditional can be connected with our mathematics activities so that it can be possible. Even games and plays and craft, music, fun, quiz, plays, and every puppetry, everything can be connected with very artistically with any subject. And here you can say biology, it was actually a cement work, a sculpture work created in January Trivandrum along with some 9th class students. Every 5 students actually given one project and they have made it with the cement, and every time they are seeing these objects in a very gigantic form, so they enjoyed and the way of learning, and it will be a memorable incident, and they will continue it. And here, the peace of mind is very, very important in the campus. So whenever we are giving a greenery, an eco-friendly campus, I think students will be learning in a very joyful manner. And you can see this picture itself, it is showing how peaceful the total ambience. So this helped the children to learn, and I have made more than 20-25 sculptures in various schools in Kerala and other states also, Goa and even Andhra and somewhere place also I have made it with the help of students. So I think it is 100% students performing or activity and participation is ensured in every field. And here you can say even the sports, art integrated in physical education. Simply if you apply a color in the ground or a uniform or a jersey, it will give a professional outlook, because they will think that I am also a professional, I can also do something. So it is raise the confidence level, and along with the music and art, this can be what we can say, updated with the contemporary standard. And here you can see a lot of plays, on-act plays, and everything can be illustrated or demonstrated in the form of a small skit. It's an assembly program. So students will do with the small costumes like a paper or a small available things. They can communicate very, very nice message to the society. And that will be very, what we can say, it will stick to their mind forever. And here you can say, even some more talk I have listened, that the outdated education system or syllabus can be raised. This is the time for that, because I was studying about some 40 years back in my school. That time also they are giving the same type of map, whereas we have the Google map and how to find out the place. We can see the 360 views and everything is available. But still we are following the outdated old mapping system. And students are simply pointing with their pen, and somewhere in Haryana, somewhere in Delhi. So they don't have any exact learning experience. So some practical lesson can be added for the curriculum. And here you can say one of the sculpture related to the global warming I have created in the school in Alleppey with the help of small 6 to 8. The small group students are actually working with me, and I have made it. And here you can see that life is beautiful when the life is beautiful, whenever we are positive, whenever we are living in a colorful way, whenever the teachers are happy, then only that happiness will share to the children. And we can see ultimately everyone will be smiling, and everyone will be enjoying, and they will be confident about whenever I am making an artwork, I used to invite everyone, including the principal or the teacher, whether they are having art background or not. It was not at all taken in the top merit. Whether it is interested for doing or whether they are interested to apply one stroke color, then I am inviting for them because that will create a lot of changes in their mind. So this is that happiness is only because of that colorful environment. Strongly, I believe this point. And here you can say why unity in diversity in India. There is a reason, because we have got a very strong base with Vishnu Dharmatra Purana. About the 64 Hindu art, it was mentioned. So the Hindu principles of art, it is always giving a wide meaning of our personality development, from music to the what we can say innovative things. But what is not there, we cannot find out anything. Everything is included in that. It making hair style and making the juice in the home and kitchen. We can say that in a Paja Kala, Ayodhana Kala, like that, lot of things. So art is a general form. We cannot make it a simple subject like that. Painting, we can say that it can be a subject. Drawing, you can say that it can be a subject. But if you take a term art, it is having a wider meaning. And here you can see some of the artworks which I have done with various Vidyalayas. And the students are actually participating equally. The entire class team is participating very vibrantly, and some of the works. And this is some of my creations. I am also professionally doing the painting with the Lalita Academy and the National Academy. A lot of art groups are there. So I'm making creative painting, and here one of my painting in which indicate we have got 5 chakras, but the chakras we can say that it is raised with the Wi-Fi and WhatsApp and Twitter, Facebook, and even you can say the internet. So the use of chakras are actually, we have forgotten the soul of our human existence. We believe that everything is addicted with the computer technology or the modern technology. It's not like that. We cannot erase our whole body. We need our own mechanism, and we need to think little more. And here also I have made another painting. It is our alphabet is actually very systematically tuned with our spinal cord. If you make that O is Kai, Kagai, Kagai, it will vibrate in the neck. So something like that. I have made a painting which is having a very good what we can say the chakra, how it was motivated in the whole system of alphabet. So it is one of my painting. I made it in the acrylic medium. It is 4x4 size. And here also again a human body, it is as a whole with the chakras and all. It's a painting, and it is based upon the Shiva concept. I made it a small acrylic painting with a third eye, and it is a unique form, and I made it and it is, I think it is a music. It is always influencing me. I used to listen all kind of music, whether it is Western or Eastern. The music is always motivating to the human mind, and it can also create a lot of wonders in our total system. So permit some chance to enjoy the music in the campus. That is more. I used to play the music almost every evening time, and whenever I am getting the time, I have kept a small loudspeaker outside and putting nice music for them. So it is a nice time to enjoy the music. And this is also some of my painting. And here you can see one of my work. I am just showing that how the process was done. And because you may not be believing that whether it was done by me or the children. How the children are doing this work, I am just concluding a small video so that you can see that how the children are enjoying the thing. And just I will share the thing. Just wait. So this is a real situation which is happening in the school.
మబదని స పమగమగ మగమగరిసని మబదని స పమగమగ మగమగరిసని పమగమగ మగమగరిసని మబదని స పమగమగ మగమగరిసని మబదని స పమగమగ మగమగరిసని.
So I think it is this is all about what we can say, whatever I experienced through the art.